Greetings everyone, a very warm welcome to sqadia.com. You must have heard about vitamins, so today let's dig in. The word vitamin is combination of two words which are vital and amines. Vitamins can be categorized as water-soluble and fat-soluble as per their solubility profile. Vitamin B and C come under the head of water-soluble, and on the other hand, vitamin A, D, E, and K come under the umbrella of fat-soluble. But today, in this video, we will hover over the details of vitamin E and we will guide you through the C. So just hang on right here. Vitamins are micronutrients and essential, which means we need them in diet. They are fat-soluble vitamins, which means they have better solubility in fatty liquids such as milk. And of course, they are better known for their antioxidant activities. Vitamin E is considered as a generic term for tocotrienols, which include alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, as well as tocopherols, which include alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Alpha form is most potent and gamma form is most abundant among all forms. Let's see the chemical structure of tocopherols. All these forms, alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, differ in the position of methyl or CH3 group on the chain. Now, the question is how vitamin E acts as an antioxidant. Well, if we look at the structure of alpha tocopherol, OH, or we can say hydroxyl group on the benzene ring, is responsible for antioxidant activity. Now, here comes another mystery, that why there is a need to prevent oxidation. The answer to this question lies in the structure of polyunsaturated fatty acids. Well, poly means many and unsaturated means presence of double bond. These unsaturated fatty acids, if get oxidized, which means addition of oxygen by breakage of double bonds, leads to production of reactive oxygen species. These reactive oxygen species then damage cell membranes, which are lipid in nature. If you want to hunt more details on vitamin E, hit the play icon to watch upcoming parts and keep watching sqadia.com.